Last night the house was quiet. You were there but not really with me. Your body was in the room. Your smell was in the room. Your voice had passed through it 100 times that day. But your mind was somewhere else, floating behind a screen, buried in a thought I could not follow. I was lying close enough to hear your breathing, close enough to feel the floor shift when you moved, close enough to know you were only a few feet away. And still, I was waiting. Not for food, not for a walk, not even for play. I was waiting for one small sign that I still mattered. That is the strange thing about loving you. My life is made of moments you barely notice, the way your hand lands on me when you pass by, the way you look at me when you come home, the way you act after you've been impatient or tired or distracted, the way you let me follow you, or don't, the way you stay near me when I'm quiet, the way you will one day look at me when I'm no longer young. You think love is the big things. I don't. For me, love has always been smaller than that. Closer, quieter, easier to miss. So before I get old, there are 8 things I need from you. Most of them take less than a minute, but all of them stay with me much longer than you think. The first is this. Touch me like you mean it. You touch me all the time, but I notice the difference. The kind where your hand becomes calm before it reaches me. The kind where you chose me for that moment. There is touch that passes over me like weather, and there is touch that settles into me like safety. The second thing I need is simple too. Say my name like it matters. You say it to stop me, to rush me. But my name is not just a sound. It is the place where I meet you. Say it slowly with your eyes on me. Or the third thing is something most humans forget. Let me choose sometimes. You decide almost everything for me. When you let me choose, I do not become difficult. I become more alive. Let me show you where I would go. The fourth thing happens when you come home. Come home to me on purpose. My body knows the sound of the key. In that instant, everything in me rushes forward. And then sometimes you walk right past me. Come in, pause, look at me, say my name. Let your hand find me before the rest of the world does. The fifth thing is harder. Repair what you accidentally break. You will hurt me sometimes because you are human. I do not need speeches. I need repair. Get low. Soften your face. Let me feel that the bond is safe again. The sixth thing may look like the opposite of love. Let me be quiet when I need to. Sometimes I walk away. Trust that distance is not rejection. If you let me go, I come back differently. I return on my own terms. The seventh thing becomes more important every year. Love the older version of me too. My steps will get slower. I may take longer to stand up. Please do not greet these changes like a disappearance. I am not becoming less myself. I am becoming more finished, more distilled. Meet me where I am. And then there is the eighth thing, the hardest one. When my time comes, please stay. Stay with me. On the floor, if that is where I am, your hand on my side, your voice low. I know whether the person who was my home is still there. That is what I will feel. You. If you are there, truly there, then even the hardest moment will contain the thing I trusted most my whole life. You're staying. That is what I have always needed. Not perfection, presence, again and again in small ways. If you do those things, my life will still be too short. It always will be, but it will feel full. I was known. I was chosen. I was loved in the language I could actually feel.